This is the standing foot pronation exercise. Now, this is a really, really important exercise as it's going to allow you to load through the foot better, to open up the joints at the bottom of the foot, and that's going to have a massive spiraling effect through the shin, the knee, the hip, and so on. Now, what we want to do, first things first, is when we do this exercise, we want to make sure we keep the heel, the big toe, and the small toe joint on the ground. So we've got 3 foot contacts there. Really, really important because we don't want to lift the heel or lift the inside or the outside of the foot. Okay? So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you from the side and then the front because it's really important to understand it from both angles. What we're going to do is we're going to start about 1 steps distance apart with the feet, and we're going to start with a straight knee, and the knee must be behind the heel, okay? And what that's going to do is you can see that if I bring my knee back, it just lifts the arch of my foot a little bit, okay? So you can see that difference. So what we want to do is we want to start with the arch like that, so a little bit higher. Now, from there, all we're going to do, okay, we're going to start by just unlocking the knee. That's the first movement, a really relaxed unlock of the knee. And then from there, we're going to basically, so unlock the knee and then bring our body weight forward onto the midfoot, okay? So you can see that my hips, my pelvis is basically over the midfoot and I'm staying tall and upright. What a lot of people tend to do is they'll think they're coming forward, but they'll just push the knee forward and not actually bring their body weight forward, or they'll think they're coming forward and they'll just poke their butt back. So they end up leaning forward, they don't stay tall, and they don't actually really get their weight over their midfoot. Now, I'll show you a couple of reps, okay? So from here, we start with the knee straight, hips facing forward, we unlock the knee, and then we just bring the body weight over that midfoot. We relax, we let the foot melt into the ground. We don't want to grab with the toes, we just want to allow that midfoot to flatten into the ground, and then we slowly make our way back the way we came. We go again, unlock the knee, slowly bring our weight forward. I'm staying tall through my upper body, relax the toes, and then come back. Now, what that looks like from the side, from the front is this. Going to start here, okay, I've got my knee facing forward, foot facing forward, and then we're going to unlock the knee and just allow that foot to flatten, okay? And what will happen when we do that is naturally, okay, I'm going to start, in almost every case, I might tell you to do something different, but if not, then this is generally the way to go to unlock that foot. We're going to start with the pelvis, the hips facing forward, so at 12 o'clock. And then as we unlock that knee and bring our weight forward, we're going to just allow the pelvis to rotate in about 45 degrees to maybe 10 o'clock on the clock face. Okay, we come back, pelvis facing forward. We come forward really relaxed, keeping those 3 foot contacts on the ground. And then we come back. Okay, and that's really going to unlock the foot. It's going to allow the upper leg and the lower leg to just internally rotate a little bit, and that's going to support the whole movement. So give it a go.